Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is speaking about her house where she lived before and, how she left, why she left. And she's saying that, people on social media, they're getting the wrong concept and they're having thoughts, and this is not supposed to be. She's saying that basically, people are having the wrong concept and they're speaking about it on social media, making a bad name for her. So guys, go ahead and go catch the video and see what Marcia has to say on this topic and others. And also remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourself a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and a prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my friends, my followers, my supporters, and those who come to look, just remember, we have one life to live. We have to live it in our way. We cannot live our life on the expectations of others because people will have different expectations of us. But we have to live it the way we feel is best and know is best for us. Sometimes people will speak and they'll talk about you, but we have to ensure that we're living the life we want to live no matter what people has to say about it. So guys, remember that and live your life the way you want. And also, remember to smile. Carry that beautiful smile on your face now because you deserve to smile every single day. And no matter what you're going through, remember, there's always an end to the bad and the good must come. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
On social media runway with false news. All some of me acknowledge, a action me I take. Action me I take when the time come. Me not even look past some of because if I look past some of look retarded. Me not argue with retarded people. Uno slow. Just like uno go on like uno intelligent, but uno slow. So I have no time for talk to people. Uno need to get us. Uno talk about me mad. Someone need to get psychological evaluation because someone never grew up good, and someone have to struggle no way up in a life when me not have to. Me grew up very well and come America early and get good up life, live in a residential neighborhood. You understand? So when someone can't chat to me, so I have to keep on grudge me for my childhood. Because I know me grew up good, well grown up and grew up good. So none of you can't come beat me. None of you live no better than me. And me alone had stuff in a storage. And me alone, what do you want me to do? Take an apartment where me not like? What do you want me to do? Take an apartment if I was told me going to get proper documentation and when I go there it's not happening? What you want me to do? Stay in there under people regime? For me, we have me American passport and me can go get at a place. And me I work and I make my money. So me if you stay in one apartment under somebody regime for have control over me. Look at because me move out. Look what happened on social media now. Everything out. Because you run go tell people lie and make and tell people story and people come and fabricate story if you put me down. Eh? Look at the decision that I make. I wasn't gonna stay there long. I was gonna stay there until March. And then I moved to New York City. That was the plan because I knew I was coming to New York City to work. It never worked out. If I had, because the plan, the thing was March, the lease that she had, the lease is up in March. So I was going to stay there until March. And when it get to about November, December, me start look a place. So what is the difference if I move out? I am the one who moved out. They promised to give me proper documentation. I have been getting the runaround for 2 weeks. Nowhere. Promises. And when it comes down to nitty-gritty, it not go work. Where you want me to stay in one place knowing the thing with the pride when me have. I mean know how how people stay can switch. And look what happened. Look at the decision that I have made to please myself. Look how me going at the place because see Roach and me I get blamed for Roach. Me you ever hear Roach I live 9 months? How me if carry Roach gone away when me left all of my things them at the place and Roach in a storage in a cold place all winter. If anything did in the culture and me bomb out that the place they enclose over a dozen can me using a place there. How Roach is going to survive 9 months or 8 months in a storage, closed down, bomb out every day. Things them tie up in a plastic bag. Them the most suffocated. Where them going to get food and water from? Where are they going to get food and water from, stupid blood-clad people? Where are they going to get water from and food to eat? Road survive on water and food. What you want me to do? You come and tell lie about me carry it in there. Everybody knows that all the Hartford building them. That was the speculation that I gave her. Me said, make sure say the place not have nothing. She said, Marcia, they don't have. Me go there, me see it. Me have pictures and video. Dead one. Two baby one before me carrying anything. But you not just want to come on social media, go put me down, go suck on the blood clot mama this Sunday morning. Me make a decision to come out all of a sudden. Me do this. You know over there tell false story. You know not listening to story good. But you know ready to come twist up story. Leave me life alone. It's not phone or blood clot life, dirty people. It's not phone or life. All you know put me down, me look better than you know. All you know put me down, me have more money than you know. All you know put me down, me have more clothes and boot and me have more asset than you know. Because none of you know dirty blood clot have the money put away in a CD. And me have. None of you know have no storage full with merchandise and me have. You think say me couldn't buy a house? Me could have buy a house long time. Then where is the money to maintain it? When me I could do carry tenant come in a house, you can't give me trouble. Move on a dirty blood clot from your son, go away from me so. No for one don't even have the life insurance policy I may have. Who no think I'm talking to? Me free. Me do whatever I want to do. That's why some of you don't have no relationship because all you know do is sell on the pussy. That's why we don't have no man. We don't want no love and we don't want no husband. We don't want a man to come in and sex and give you no money. Me and my friend with dating. Platonic, whatever happen. If it go until next year, it go. And if it stop, it stop. No contract, it what we have. Every day when you get up and talk about man, I do this. Man, I give you nothing. Oh, you know him, I give me. Him, I give you nothing. Someone in a house right now and a man, Regine. You can't do nothing because if man no pay on the bills, you can't move. If man no tell no say no can't go road, you can't go road. Some of you in the house right now, you can't even bathe until no man come content for washing the front. Because them have to come home to come smell it first to make sure say you not there with nobody. You can't go nowhere with no friend. Me a free woman. Move on yourself from yes and get over it. It's not about getting a place from a leasing office. I was getting a place. Me tell her say I was going to real estate. The girl was like somebody who seems to be nice. And she reached out to me and tell me. When she had reached out to me and tell me, remember me read the text message where she sent me, Marcia heard about a place, a 1 bedroom. If you're interested, let me know. Me call her back and me said, me start talk to her. She was convincing and said, okay then, come. Meet me. Me go and meet her. Me say, okay, me not really like it. She said, take it, Marcia, no 1 bedroom. Take it, make me soon leave from which part me there. So if anything you can rent there, you can get that one. Tell the super figure. Remember, I know, all this story going on. When I had the issues, I let her know what is going on in the apartment that I see sign of roach. She even was trying to get a apartment over her building to switch it. So a lot of things is not being told. I don't know if she even mentioned it on the Dwayne page. So when she come and talk about her people, I said, me care roach, she knew about it. And they were trying to switch me over to another complex. Remember, so the office know about me, you know. And the likes are not na high. The office knows about me. The office is the one that come and put up my curtain them for me. The curtain rod. The office is the one that come and put up the clean the carpet and do everything. The people them know. The people them have a roach in there because if they never have a roach, they want to carry supply can give me. The people them see it for themselves. The day when it come, the man see the roach coming through the bathroom, something. And them, I say, go and get the potty and potty up it. And fill in the little space them between the bathroom, the crack. So me never like it. Me said to her, I said, me don't like the carpet. She said, it's going to take a while because we have carpet too, but they're going by seniority. The longer you live in the building, they're going to change it up. A lot of people are getting their stuff changed out from carpet to wood floor. Because, come on, what is the big deal? Eh? So if you never know that, why they were trying to change me? And then when you call out from a super, you get them say it's rented already. You knew I was not going to stay. From your sister, me I bother you every day. Where is the documentation? Where is the documentation? And me I bother every day have attitude with me. Me never do stay because me know exactly it was going to reach on social media. And the only thing that you had over me to come and tell social media is the fact that me paying the security deposit little. So that seems like, oh, Marcia have the money, so we're making her paying little at a time. I could have given you the $1,800. But when I look at the criteria and say, my name not depend the paperwork yet, let me wait until my name reach on the paperwork because I said to myself, say, how am I going to get it back? Me even said that to you. You said, no, you will get it back. Me say, really? You say, Marcia, we are trustworthy people. You will get it back at the end of March. And then everything can turn over in your name fully. They were going to add it because they tell the people themselves, them auntie. So how is it that you come on social media trying to downgrade me? What did I do wrong? You come to me. I wanted a place. Me know is the end of the winter. Me know is $1,000 versus 2,000. That is a big difference. 1,000 versus 2,000. Anybody would want to take something and come out and save money. That's how much I was paying out there. Sometimes I pay 2,400 for the month. Sometimes that's what I pay, that's what I was paying out there in the Resident Inn. Resident Inn not cheap per day. I know what if a discount me get. But did God make me afford to stay in there for 5 months? Yes. Did I regret it? No. Should I have stayed in there until I get the right place? Yes. If I know this was going to happen, I stay my ass in there. When she come to me, I didn't call her and tell her, but she was always on social media watching what is going on and feeling sorry for me. Me not tell nobody to feel sorry for me. Because me never look like someone to be sorry for. And I never reach out to her until I find place for me. And she's always looking place for me to try it because she hear Uno cost me. I call me homeless. So she feel like say, okay, let me try to help Marcia or whatever. But me never want to help. Can be comfortable until when the right come. I know the plan when me want to come out. Because me know say summertime, me can get to go and sell my things them. Me know say this summer, I have places to go, far places. When me go last year, but it was too late. So me have my plans. If you go out and drive out and make my money. Me never come to her. I not go and like say, me did come to this lady. This lady reach out to me all the time. Because she claims said she likes me. And she's always, I know she alone reach out to me. You have a lot of people out there don't like how social media treat me, you know. And them feel compelled to call me and say, Marcia, do this and do that and whatever. Me not take it. Me not take it. Me not take telling. And she's always calling or whatever. So what is the big deal? What me do wrong here? Me not care no roach going there. And roach is not the issue. Because there's only 2 little beanie one me this say. Because them no bad not today. But me, when you say 2 little beanie one, you want to make sure say them are the one who hatch up. It wasn't like it's infested. And 1 and 2 me say. From me go there me see around 3 to 4 of them me see. The one that was coming out of the bathtub the first time, I kill it and send it go give her. The second one, and the man seal it up. From the man seal it up, me never see no more until about like a week, like couple days after. A 1 month me spend in our building there. And me see one that come again from under the vent. Because I pay Spanish people live on the building mostly. And you know when time they did it, you know that already. So I said to myself, I don't want to stay here because once me start cook, once them smell the food and start cook, then they must start coming often. Maybe them worse there because the boy wasn't the boyfriend wasn't there. I know she's supposed to attack, and the boyfriend supposed to attack. She not have nothing to do with the apartment. It's not her place. It's her boyfriend place. But she take it over because she and I consider as an good acquaintances. I never see the boyfriend. Me only talk to him over the phone when she argue with me and him take the phone. Because she doesn't know for a reason. As soon as it starts something to her, she go off, She don't have no reasonability. Attention span is very short. As soon as I say something to her, she start talk to you some way. She gets so upset that she literally start crying. That means that she's very emotional. That means that whatever problem she have in the past, you not get over it yet. Because if you're talking, if I'm just saying something to you, I may say you say something on social media or whatever, and you start a cry and I get so emotional, that means that you still have something deep in your mind that you need to resolve. And you are the one that is sending me to see psychiatrist. The girl have a nerve, I said, me something is wrong. Me need to go see somebody to talk to because me a trouble, me too negative and me a follow up whatever. And the person who help her can help me. Me tell her, say, me no want nobody. Nothing wrong with me. You is the one who wrong. You are very controlling. You is a controlling person and me is controlling on my own right. Now look, no young girl can't control me. You're 30 years and me a 50 years. You can't control me. You can't come talk to me anyhow. In the sense that the way me I ask you, oh, it me I say to you, say, where's the paperwork? Oh, I'm busy. You think I don't have time? I work all night. I have my kids to go pick up. That don't have nothing to do with me. You rent me a place, come take care of your tenant. Give me what I wanted. Me not care if you work 20 hours for the year. A day. Take care of your tenant first. Make sure I am the one who is there paying, so your lease contract don't forfeit. So you don't have to end up paying all those thousands of dollars if the complex want to get difficult with you. And you are there spreading and coming on social media and talking. And the fact remain, if I wanted to be a bitch, I could have stayed in that apartment and you couldn't get me out until 4, 5, 6 months time. Because I have letter coming there. The change of address, cable, and everything. So when you come out and behave like that, you forge your signature with your man's signature. I know your name on the paper. Or the article you come out after too much chatting. And it's not your name. You sign your husband's name. Eh? Me and you not dealing. Remember me have text message, me said, give me receipt because friend and money no mix. I want receipt. Look how long me have a rent available and you come and pick it up. You were trustworthy so much. You even came and pick it up after the date. Can me keep on calling you? Come for it. You say you don't have the time. Me say it's ready. Come for it. Let me go and pay it myself. You said no. You will pay it over the computer. That's how you pay it over the internet. So when you come out and go on like say money ready and have your rent ready. You think say me could have know say it on social media, your social media tete and your money not ready. Me prepare myself in advance to make sure say me have enough money for me. So in case now me go out and look my work, that will catch me up for how much months. So me know say by then you can't come chat me and say me not give you nothing. Me could have mad if you don't have money to give you, knowing the stipulation, how me rent it. Because me know say you come out and say, oh, we just give it to Marcia through that and them out talk, say this and that. So you think say me of all person, if me not have to walk around and borrow and sell my crutch for give them Monday a month time, I would have do it. For you not have nothing over me. So your money was guaranteed. I may have my plans to go work just like this and come in. I may tell her that. Look how much time Mixup said, is there any one-on-one going at your nursing home? At your nursing home, you tell me no. Maybe I'll lie. Yeah, tell me say me have to be a CNA for work there. Me said to her, so you know, he said, you have some agency girl come, but you don't know which agency. Me say, ask the agency. Because I was willing to go do a couple hours, a one-on-one with private. So me was taking care of myself. Me know say none of them a fight against me with sheet. So me know say I have to go out there and look myself a private work. And any work me I could do. Only depend on social media, like when I can't put me down. When I can't put me down, me not